Hi, this is Anthony with F-150s Tech. I am going to show you a demonstration on how to use this conversion kit properly. So, you're going to get this special harness. It's different than the ones you see online. This is a Sync 3 APIM for demo purposes. These are some parts for demo purposes. This is what you would get in your typical kit. And these are just for demonstration purposes over here. So, you're going to start off with this climate control panel. You got one plug at the bottom that plugs into the stock connector plug from your old 4-inch screen in bezel, which is perfect, easy plug and play. So let's take this out and let's demo this. So this is how it's going to come in. You're going to want to disconnect this latch connector. So you push down here and then flip it forward and pull out. It comes right out. This one, you just pinch and pull. So let's see if I can just pinch, pull, and it's loose. So this will go to the old black box Sync 1 connector. It will be underneath the center speaker. It's a black box and it will have a connector like this from your harness connected to it. You unplug that and remove the box, and then that old connector you will push into here until the latch pops down. This one will go to your Sync 3 APIM right here. To demo it, you put it in like so, and then you push down. As you can see, the lever is going down, and you put it in until it clicks. Once it clicks, you are set with that piece. So with this, it's pretty straightforward setup. You're going to get in some brackets like this. These brackets you will mount to the side with the screws that are included on both ends. Over here, this will make it fit perfectly in the stock slot for everything to line up as intended. Now the last connector is these two, which will be this black USB data connection from here that will run all the way to here on the USB hub. USB hub has a power connector, which is on this harness. It's right here, and it will go all the way down to the USB hub in the center console. This right here is for your CD receiver. When you go to install, you're going to have to take out your old CD receiver. It will look similar to this. And on the back side, it will be this connector. You want to make sure it's seated all the way down where it's almost flush. It pushes pretty tightly in. Once you hit the click, you are good. This one will be the stock connector still from the harness. Same with these two. So they're not altered. So the original stock connector that was here, you will plug into this piece. And that's all you have to do for the CD receiver. This piece, which you will find goes here, you take it from your old one and you put it into the new one. And it goes to the stock connector. Let's see. Your old 4.2-inch screen, the little guy, that has a connector that goes right here. It's also a latch down. You latch that down and you're good. If you have the stock rear view camera that goes to the 4-inch screen, you will take this piece and connect it to this RCA, this yellow RCA. So these two connect. Once then, you are good. If you do not have a reverse camera setup and you want to add an aftermarket one, this is where you plug it into. You get an aftermarket one off eBay and you route the wire all the way up to here. It should be a yellow RCA. It'll plug directly into your harness here. Let's see, and that should be everything on this harness, which is the main piece. The main thing, this from USB to USB, USB to USB. And then the last piece, which is this GPS antenna. Non-nav and navigation modules, both will use it. It's just this connector, goes here. You put this underneath the center speaker grill on the right side, not left side. The left side will have a metal bracket, which will look similar to this. This you would want to disconnect and not use. You want to disconnect it and remove it. This will cause interference, even if it's not utilized by your vehicle. And yes, that should be as simple as it gets for this install. Any other questions? We're always here anytime. Please reach out to us by email, phone number, or text. We'll do our best to respond back in an appropriate time. Thank you again, and this is Anthony with F-150s Tech.